Johnny Depp is in for more court trials as his ex-wife Amber Heard has sought a dismissal of the case against him or a retrial. Amber feels that the judge did not believe her victim of domestic abuse story, and also one of the jurors was not appropriately vetted according to her team of lawyers. But her reasons look like sideshows because the truth is, she can't afford an appeal, so her best bet is buying time as she hopes to collect the money she was ordered to pay Depp. Will her tactic work this time? Let's find out. Amber Heard is throwing a ton of excuses so that her defamation defeat can be set aside. The Aquaman star believes that one of the jurors has been listed as born in 1945, whereas in other introductions, he's shown as being born in 1970. Also, the judge had ruled in Depp's favor regarding the compensation and penalized her for $15 million in compensation to Depp. This, Amber's lawyers have described as excess and indefensible or devoid of argument. The judge, too, reduced the compensation to $350,000, which is the state cap immediately after the conclusion of the trial. Depp had filed the case in Fairfax, Virginia, against his ex-wife, as he felt that even though he was not mentioned in the story Amber wrote for Washington Post, it sullied his reputation. The 6-week trial turned into a television fiasco, and the world tuned in to get a slice of the action. Details about a fight in Australia had been narrated by the Justice League star, where Depp lost the top part of his middle finger, and Amber claimed she was sexually accosted by a liquor bottle by the Oscar nominee. Depp denied the charges and in counterclaims told the court that his ex-wife abused him. The Fantastic Beasts star insisted he never hit Amber. The write-up, Depp claimed, was written with a lot of ill will towards him. Witnesses were examined and finally the verdict was pronounced. The evidence that was produced by Amber to prove domestic abuse, and her lawyers believed that she was the victim. The jurors did not believe Amber's story as they felt she was not believable. Also, the judge had given the 36-year-old counter-defamation of $2 million as Depp's lawyer had claimed that she had broken down the couple's home to deceive the police, to make them believe that the fight was gruesome. With the actress given just 30 days to file for an appeal, it's now clear that she wants to distract the court to buy her more time. As the judge finalized the verdict in the case on Friday, June 1st, it became clear that Amber may need to pay a large amount of money should she appeal. Representatives for the actress confirmed that she plans to appeal the verdict. A spokesperson for Amber told the newsrooms that, as stated in yesterday's congressional hearings, you don't ask for a pardon if you are innocent, and you don't decline to appeal if you know you are right. However, appealing could cost her even more money up front, it seems. Judge Penny Askred, in her official order, stated that the amount owed by each party was subject to a 6% annual interest rate as per Virginia law. Attorney Jeff Lewis, the founder of Jeff Lewis Law, told the media that in order to appeal, she must post a bond equal to the net judgment of $8.3 million plus interest for 1 year at 6%. And even then, the bond is not the only price on the table. Lewis also stated that it could be up to the surety, the insurance company that posts the bond, who could require Amber to pay more as collateral. So there are two issues here. What premium would Amber have to pay the surety to obtain a bond? And second, what collateral does Amber have to convince a surety to post the bond, Lewis said. The settlement between the two actors, whose tumultuous and often toxic relationship ended in divorce in 2016, won't come until after the appeal now, according to experts. Amber has stuck by her claims made in testimony on the witness stand after the trial, even though Depp's attorneys hinted that the Pirates of the Caribbean actor could waive the amount his ex-wife owes if she forgoes the appeal. Attorney Benjamin Chu spoke with Good Morning America's George Stephanopoulos, who asked, is it possible we could see a settlement where she forgoes the appeal in return for Mr. Depp waiving any monetary damages? We obviously can't disclose attorney-client communications, Chu responded. But as Mr. Depp testified, and as we both made clear in our respective closings, this was never about money for Mr. Depp. This was about restoring his reputation, and he's done that. Whether or not Amber will be successful in either overturning the ruling or filing an appeal is yet to be known. But both paths seem bleak for sure. How do you think this will end? Let us know in the comments below. In our upcoming videos, we'll be bringing you more of such amazing content, so be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't get to miss any of them.